The Mazda CX-5 is not just one of the best compact SUVs on the market. It definitely isn't one of those cars you get, own for a few years, and then trade in to get something newer. No, this is a car you buy and own for decades. It's so good that we've found 7 reasons why Mazda CX-5 owners get furious when asked to sell. Number 7. Engaging handling. Most compact SUVs feel like appliances on wheels, but the CX-5 is different. It drives like a sporty hatchback that happens to sit higher off the ground. While competitors prioritize comfort over everything else, Mazda's engineers were obsessing over something most manufacturers ignore: how the vehicle responds to driver input. The steering precision in the CX-5 is going to spoil you for other SUVs. When you turn the wheel, the front wheels respond immediately, with feedback that tells you exactly what's happening between the tires and the road. There's minimal body roll in corners thanks to Mazda's carefully tuned suspension geometry. This means you can actually enjoy taking corners instead of white-knuckling through them like you would in a RAV4 or CR-V. Here's what CX-5 owners consistently report. After driving their vehicle for months, getting into other compact SUVs feels like punishment. The vague steering, excessive body lean, and disconnected driving experience of typical crossovers becomes unbearable. Once you've experienced how engaging daily driving can be, you're not going to want to give that up for a bland alternative. Number 6. 2 engine options that actually deliver. While other manufacturers are cramming unreliable turbocharged engines into everything, Mazda is taking a smarter approach. The CX-5 offers 2 distinct powertrains, and both are proving their worth in the real world. The base 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine is producing 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. This might not sound impressive compared to turbocharged competitors, but this engine is offering an excellent mix of simplicity and refinement. No complex turbocharging systems to fail, no direct injection carbon buildup issues. Just a proven power plant that's going to start every morning and run smoothly for 200,000 miles. For those wanting more performance, the optional 2.5-liter turbocharged engine is delivering 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. With premium fuel, these numbers jump to 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet. This turns the CX-5 into a genuine street warrior that can embarrass some sports cars from a stoplight. The torque delivery is immediate and strong, making highway merging and passing effortless. What's making owners furious about selling is simple. They know what they're giving up. Modern engines from other manufacturers are becoming increasingly complex and failure-prone. CX-5 owners understand they have reliable powertrains that deliver performance without the anxiety of potential costly repairs. Why would you trade that certainty for an unknown engine that might leave you stranded? Number 5. Styling elegance. In an era where automotive design changes every 3 years, the CX-5 is proving that timeless elegance beats trendy gimmicks. Despite being in its current generation for many years, the CX-5 is still looking fresher and more sophisticated than brand new competitors. This isn't luck. It's the result of Mazda's commitment to proportions and details that transcend temporary trends. The CX-5's design language is focusing on what actually matters: clean lines, perfect proportions, and details that enhance rather than distract. While competitors are adding fake vents, excessive chrome, and aggressive angles that will look dated in 5 years, Mazda is pursuing understated elegance. The result is a vehicle that photographs beautifully from any angle and looks appropriate in any setting. Current CX-5 owners are realizing they own something special. While their friends' 3-year-old SUVs are already looking dated, the CX-5 is aging gracefully. This gives owners confidence that their vehicle will continue looking good for years to come. Why would you trade a design that's proven its longevity for something that might look embarrassing in a few years? Number 4. Upscale Interior. The materials quality, attention to detail, and overall execution are embarrassing vehicles that cost twice as much. This isn't about flashy screens or gimmicky features. It's about genuine quality that you can see and feel every time you use the vehicle. The leather upholstery in upper trims is using the same suppliers as luxury brands. The stitching quality, grain texture, and durability are matching what you'd expect from premium vehicles. Even the plastic trim pieces are showing attention to detail that's rare in this price segment. Surfaces that you touch regularly are soft and pleasant, while hidden areas use durable materials that won't fail over time. Build quality is where the CX-5 is really shining. Panel gaps are tight and consistent, controls operate with satisfying precision, and there are no squeaks or rattles even after years of use. The dashboard layout is intuitive without being cluttered, and every control falls naturally to hand. This creates a daily experience that feels special rather than utilitarian. CX-5 owners are discovering that this interior quality doesn't fade over time. While competitors' cabins are showing wear, developing rattles, and looking cheap after a few years, the CX-5 interior is maintaining its premium feel. Number 3. Strong resale value. While most vehicles are depreciating rapidly, the CX-5 is holding its value at levels that are stunning industry analysts. This isn't just good news for future selling, it's protecting owners' financial investment right now. The CX-5 is consistently ranking among the top compact SUVs for resale value, often beating the legendary Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V. Industry data is showing that CX-5s are retaining significant percentages of their original MSRP, even after 5 years of ownership. This is occurring because used car buyers are recognizing the same qualities that make new CX-5 owners refuse to sell. The combination of engaging driving dynamics, proven reliability, and premium feel is creating strong demand in the used market. Kelley Blue Book and J.D. Power are consistently ranking the CX-5 as a top performer for value retention. This recognition is based on real transaction data, not manufacturer claims. When actual buyers are willing to pay premium prices for used CX-5s, it validates everything owners already know about their vehicles. Current owners are understanding that selling their CX-5 means giving up not just a great vehicle, but a smart financial asset. The strong resale values mean lower total cost of ownership and better return on investment. Why would you sell an asset that's protecting your money while providing excellent service? It's becoming clear that holding onto a CX-5 is both emotionally and financially intelligent. Number 2, above average reliability. In an automotive landscape plagued by recalls, complex systems, and expensive repairs, the CX-5 is offering something increasingly rare: genuine dependability. Consumer Reports is consistently placing the CX-5 at or near the top of its reliability rankings, and J.D. Power's vehicle dependability studies are showing CX-5 owners reporting fewer problems than competitors. The foundation of this reliability is Mazda's conservative engineering approach. While competitors are rushing to implement untested technologies, Mazda is perfecting proven systems. The naturally aspirated engines avoid the complexity and failure points of turbocharged alternatives. The 6-speed automatic transmission is using conventional technology that's been refined over decades rather than experimental CVT systems that other manufacturers are struggling with. Real-world data is backing up these reliability claims. CX-5 owners are reporting minimal unscheduled maintenance, rare warranty claims, and vehicles that continue operating normally well past 100,000 miles. Major powertrain failures are exceptionally rare, and electrical problems are non-existent. This translates to lower ownership costs and fewer frustrating dealership visits. Current CX-5 owners are realizing they have something precious, a vehicle they can actually depend on. With horror stories about other brands' reliability issues becoming common, CX-5 owners are understanding they've avoided those problems entirely. Why would you trade proven dependability for an unknown quantity that might leave you stranded or facing expensive repairs? In today's automotive market, reliable transportation isn't guaranteed, but CX-5 owners have it. Number 1, excellent value. Here's the secret that's making CX-5 owners absolutely furious when asked to sell. They know they've found the automotive equivalent of a hidden gem. Despite offering premium materials, engaging dynamics, and luxury-level refinement, the CX-5 is remaining competitively priced against basic utilitarian competitors. This value proposition is so compelling that smart buyers are refusing to give it up. A well-equipped CX-5 with premium features, excellent materials, and proven reliability costs the same as or less than basic versions of competitors that offer inferior experiences. You're getting hand-stitched leather, premium audio systems, advanced safety technology, and engaging performance for the price others charge for basic transportation. This value equation is becoming more obvious over time. While competitor prices are rising faster than their quality improvements, the CX-5 is maintaining its pricing advantage while continuing to deliver premium experiences. Owners are realizing they have access to a level of refinement and satisfaction that would normally require spending significantly more money. Industry experts are recognizing this value proposition as unsustainable, meaning it won't last forever. Current CX-5 owners understand they're benefiting from Mazda's strategy of offering premium experiences at mainstream prices. Future models might not maintain the same value equation as Mazda's brand perception evolves. The final reason CX-5 owners get furious when asked to sell is simple. They know they can't replace what they have. No other vehicle in the price range is offering the same combination of premium materials, engaging dynamics, proven reliability, and strong resale value. But the beauty of today's market is that there are a few more hidden gems that owners want to keep forever. Check out this video about the reasons why Subaru Forester owners get furious when asked to sell, which you can now see on the screen. The Forester stands out as one of the most capable models in the class, and no owner wants to give up on such a brilliant piece of engineering.